Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Tidi Radebe, back on your screen once again. And I also don't know how to behave. I know I'm looking, I look so cute, and I got you guys covered. You know, like, I know you're probably looking at me like, where did she get that hair? I got you. Give me a second. Let me do my intro. Before we get into it. I'm so excited so you guys can see what actually happened, how I got this hair, how I installed it. Super easy, straight to the point. But before we get into that, I first want to do my shout out. So, to my subscribers that are doing the most, that are active, that are taking part, that are saying nice things to me, that notification bells are switched on. Here we go. Bonolo and Life with Boucher, Boy Tumelo, Baset Sana, and maybe you could be like, I'm sure you're pretty. All the Baset Sanas I know, they're very pretty. Sam also has a channel. Ginewe, Annelique, and Evelyn. And then to my old gang, what's good? Notification gang, what's good? What's popping? How's your weekend? I hope you all have fun. Then I first want to say thank you to CurlsCurls for sponsoring today's video. They reached out to me, they sent me this hair, and I'm gonna basically show you guys how I installed the hair. But basically this is the packaging. Can we just talk about the packaging of CurlsCurls, because wow, absolutely love it. But I'm not going to be wasting any time because we have a lot of work to do in today's video. So you guys, what you're going to see now is basically me washing the hair, prepping the hair, and then I'm going to install it style. And I'll see you guys back in, like, right here, back with this face in a second. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah. Alright, so this is how I received the package. They ship internationally. This is CurlsCurls. This is the packaging, and this is how the hair looked like. It came with a little leaflet and another pamphlet situation whereby you can, see how to install the hair, how to prep the hair, and how to take care of the hair just in overall. This is how it looked like. It has like that weird factory smell. I think all hair always has that weird smell. But anyway, I received 10 pieces. They basically already sized everything, so you would use these longer pieces for the back and then continue to use the smaller ones until you get to the smallest one, which will obviously come to the front. So you will get 2 pieces of each length, which in total will give you 10 pieces. So this is how the hair looked. If you're not familiar with the clip in, this is how it looks like. It's really super easy to use, guys. If you don't know how to sew hair or glue on or use like glues and stuff, all that kind of stuff, using clip-ins is super easy. So as the pamphlet suggested, I'm going to be washing the hair. I was so shocked because immediately when the hair came in contact with the water, it was so soft. It immediately started to behave like human hair. I was honestly, I was shocked. Okay, even when I rinsed it out, it just washed nicely. It was soft. It was coming to life, as you guys can tell, and it will also start to shed. It will behave like normal human hair, and then I'm going to condition the hair and leave the conditioner for about 3 minutes and then rinse it out. But before that, I am going to be combing the hair out just so I can rake it and remove any shed hairs and all that kind of stuff. The CurlsCurls does include in the pamphlet a bit of recommendations in terms of products that you can use. You can use a shampoo or a cleanser from the TGIN Moisture Rich Sulfate Free Shampoo. You can condition with Diva Curls One Condition Delight. You can style it with Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. And you can use a diamond brush if you don't have a wide tooth comb. And this is how the hair looked like after I have rinsed it. It was soft, airy, bouncy. I was excited. You guys know this is my curl pattern. When my hair is happy and nourished, this is how it looks like. And yeah, and then I'm just going to dry the hair. You don't have to dry it like this. Honestly, you don't. You can just, I don't know, just air dry it like I do, because you can use a t-shirt to dry the hair. I didn't want to, because I didn't want the hair to be like, to get frizz, basically. Be careful, just don't put your little peg thingy on the clip in themselves. Put it on the track, okay? Don't put it on the clip in, it will like obviously damage it, right? But this is how it is. And please use a leave-in conditioner. I did, but I forgot to put that in the video. Just use a leave-in conditioner and you should be good to go. This is me the following day. The hair does not take that long to dry, by the way, guys. Like, if you're going to air dry, it doesn't take that long. So I took the largest piece that has about 5 clip-ins, if I remember well, and just started to clip that in. It was super easy, and your girl was pretty excited because I was just like, wait, what? Length? Instant length. Boom. Bam, bam, bam. Just like that. It's so easy to install. It will literally take you 10 minutes. I'm just going to show you guys. Just open the clip, just put it under your roots, and then clip. Literally just press it down, press the clip down, and then when you uninstall it, just, okay, no, it's kind of push the clip in up and then press it down when you want to take it out. Makes sense? I hope it does, right? But you guys can see there. I think the visuals are quite clear. Pretty simple. Anybody can do this. If you're not confident in if you're not comfortable and confident with where your natural length is, I would suggest that you invest in these clip-ins. They are pretty great. They're pretty simple to use. And I mean, once you have them, you can always just take care of it. Make sure that you condition it, you wash them, then you will have them forever, literally. So I'm just going to use Eco-Styler, like you already saw. I'm going to blend the two textures so that it's not that obvious. And I basically received the texture that is thick. I received 10 pieces. The color is neutral, as you can tell, because my hair is like damn dark. The length is 14 inches, and if you want, you can use the discount code in the description box so you can save some money, some cash. All right. If you're in the US, this hair retails for $89. If you are in South Africa, it's about 1,530, and if you are in the UK, it's about 68 pounds runabout, but everything will be in the description box as I lay my edges. All right, so now that you have seen how I basically got to where I got, I'm going to give you guys a close-up just to see. The hair blended very beautifully with my hair. I don't even think you guys can tell where my hair starts. I mean, I think the only giveaway would be the fact that my hair is a bit darker than the hair itself. But besides all of that, I mean, look at that, it's blending in very beautifully, and I absolutely love it. I'm gonna be showing you guys other styles with this hair. My reactions to the hair, I mean, you guys already heard me in the voiceover. I was pretty excited. I still am. I love the hair. It's so soft, it's bouncy, it is light. I don't know how to behave. I absolutely love it. And the other thing I think is, especially with people that are not necessarily confident with where their natural hair is at right now in terms of length, and they maybe still want to rock wigs, but the ones that look very similar to the hair type, then I would highly recommend that you actually invest in a CurlCurls clip-in. Clip-ins, these are called clip-ins, okay? Get with the program. We don't do wigs, we do clip-ins. And yeah, so if you maybe have like maybe 4 inches of hair and you want a bit of volume, a bit of length, then I suggest that you purchase this. And if you are going to be purchasing it, please use the discount code, because I got you discount code TD. That's it. Like, it's so simple. TD is the discount code, and everything is linked in the description box. The how many pieces I had, how many pieces I used. I basically used almost everything, but and y'all can tell it's quite full and it's just bouncy. I love it. Love it. I am going to be fooling you guys with this on. I'm going to be trying a whole lot of hairstyles, so this is not just going to be a one-time video. I'm going to be showing you guys other styles with this hair, and basically just, you know, how to rock the hair because I love it. This is how I get a husband. Let me call him. Hello. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Hey. Oh my god, babe. Yeah, I've got this hair, and we are you gonna cook dinner? I really think you should. Yeah. Okay. That's how I'm gonna behave. That's how I'm gonna behave when I am in a relationship and I'm like my husband. I'm like hubby. But yeah guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I didn't want to make it too long, even though I know it's probably gonna be long, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Y'all can just look at me and be like, oh, Sidio has a good transformer. Yes, I know how to transform. You know, I don't look the same all the time. I always come here looking crusty. Not today, thanks to CurlsCurls. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh my goodness, I don't know. Okay, let me take some pink chunks. I don't know how to behave, y'all. Like okay, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one, and bye for now.